This is an unboxing of a Lenovo P16s. That's just the power adapter. Which actually looks like a different style. It's a 100-watt adapter. USB-C. I've never seen it really this shape. Anyway. And it's got that style of 3-prong adapter. Some safety papers. Quick start. It's a little bulkier than I thought. You could look all around. So going over the ports, we've got the full-size Ethernet here, 2 USB-C, 1 full-size HDMI, a regular USB combo audio port. Nothing on the front. It's a smart card reader option. Had that. Another USB full size here. Kensington lock slot. This would be SIM card slot. And on the bottom, looking for the reset hole over here. Notice this one also has the different, it opens differently than the previous models, so you don't have to snap it off from here. It's a bit of a different back cover. So a nice touchpad and keyboard. The fingerprint reader would be up there. So it's got a smaller bezel than usual. It's a 1200 pixel screen. So it's got the dual mics and the privacy switch for the webcam at the top. And that's it.